Good morning, students. Today, in Moral Science, we are going to read chapter 7, that is Keep on Trying. Keep on trying, that means we have to try till our last breath. So, the value taught here is try till you succeed. And life skills developed self awareness, problem solving, coping with emotions, and coping with stress. And the golden words given by David Blay is striving for success without hard work is like trying to harvest where you have not planted. That means अगर हम लोग कहीं किसी प्लांट को लगाते नहीं हैं तब तक उसकी हार्वेस्टिंग या उसको हम लोग काट नहीं सकते. सेम एज विदाउट हार्ड वर्क, बिना हार्ड वर्क के, बिना कठिन परिश्रम के हम लोग सक्सेस के बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकते. So, an outstanding quality of a winner is the power to hold on despite the most adverse circumstances. In life, it is sure that you are going to fail a lot. बहुत बार हम लोगों को फेलियर का सामना करना पड़ सकता है. Not every endeavor will be successful in the first time. Some may even take a long time, but the secret is keep on trying. हम लोग अपने आसपास, अपने सोसाइटी में जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोगों को देखते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वे सभी लोग फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही सक्सेस प्राप्त कर लिए होंगे. किसी किसी को बहुत लंबा समय भी लगा होगा. सो वी कीप ऑन ट्राइंग. A winner is not a person who does not fail, but it is he who tries again by rising up every time he fails. तो विनर वही है जो बार बार ट्राई करके, बार बार कोशिश करते हुए सक्सेसफुल होता है या राइज करता है. वो नहीं जो फेल और फेलियर के डर से हार मान ले. Do not ever give up trying. Be stubbornly persistent. That means एक जिद बना लेना, एक जिद ठान लेना कि मुझे ये काम करना ही है. Keep in mind that these ceaseless efforts will eventually help you to overcome your obstacles. To be persistent, you need to take pains. Every little details need to be taken care of. You have to do everything and do it right to reach your goal. In previous chapter also you have read about the topic not to give up. So we should never give up. Just keep on trying and trying till you succeed. Based on this, one story is here. Now, go through the story. The Paralyzed Engineer. In the year 1883, there lived a very creative engineer who was known as John Roebling. Once he was inspired by an idea to build a spectacular bridge connecting New York with the Long Island. This is a true story about the engineer whose name was John Roebling. And he wanted to build a bridge connecting New York with the Long Island. Long Island is an island near New York, and he wanted to build a bridge which can connect New York to this Long Island. Long is the name of the island. Island means a piece of land which is surrounded all side with water. So he wanted to build a bridge. He disclosed the idea to his friends but was criticized by everyone. However, he did not lose hope and decided to discuss the idea with an optimistic person like his son. Optimistic person, the person who see the positive side of the thing. His son was optimistic, that means वो किसी भी चीज के पॉजिटिव साइड को देखता था. Washington, whose name was Washington, who was also an upcoming engineer in the USA, वो भी इंजीनियर बनने वाला था. After a series of discussion, the son became convinced that the bridge could be built. The plan began. The father and the son began to work together for the first time. पहली बार दोनों पिता और पुत्र एक साथ काम कर रहे थे किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट पे. Though it took a long time, they were successful in convincing the authorities that the bridge could be made. उन लोगों को बहुत संघर्ष करना पड़ा सारे अथॉरिटीज़ को ये बताने के लिए कि ब्रिज बनाया जा सकता है. After a long preparation, they hired the required personnel and began their work. But when the project was only a few months old, a tragic accident took place on the site, killing Roebling and severely injuring Washington. कुछ समय के बाद उसी साइट पे उन लोगों का एक्सीडेंट हो गया और रॉबलिंग की डेथ हो गई. एंड इन दिस एक्सीडेंट वाशिंगटन वाज इंजर्ड. उसे बहुत ही ज़्यादा चोट आई. Owing to the accident, Washington became paralyzed and was thus confined to bed. और उसे इतनी ज़्यादा चोट थी कि वो पैरालाइज्ड हो गया. Paralyzed means his body part is not working at all. People started making negative comments like crazy men and their crazy dreams. Look what has happened to them. Everyone had negative views against Roebling and Washington. However, Washington was not discouraged. He still had the desire to complete the project as his mind was as sharp as before. उसका बॉडी पैरालाइज्ड हुआ था बट माइंड उसका अच्छे से काम कर रहा था. एंड सो ही वॉज नॉट डिस्करेज्ड. वो अभी भी उसकी इच्छा थी कि वो इस प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करेगा. All the organs of Washington were paralyzed except his one finger. He decided to make best use of it. सिर्फ एक फिंगर, एक उंगली उसका पैरालाइज्ड नहीं हुआ था. बाकी पूरा अंग, पूरा ऑर्गन पैरालाइज्ड था. He decided to make best use of it. He called his wife. By the movement of his finger, he developed a code of communication with his wife. By the movement of finger, which is known as sign language, by the help of that, he developed a code of communication with his wife. He touched his wife's arm with that finger, indicating her to call the engineers before him in the hospital. He called the engineers in the hospital, and then through his wife he instructed all the engineers what to do. By the making use of this finger, he instructed, or he had given the instruction to his wife to call the engineers and also to instruct the engineers what to do. It was rather unusual, but the project began again. For 13 long years, Washington guided the engineers by tapping his finger against his wife's arm. और इस प्रोजेक्ट पे उन्हें 13 years तक काम करना पड़ा. And by only this finger, he guided the engineers by tapping it against his wife's arm. His wife conveyed his messages to the engineers. Finally, the bridge was completed. It was a spectacular victory of one man's indomitable spirit and determination. A determination which did not shake even in lethal circumstances. इतनी कठिन कठिन समय में भी उनका डिटर्मिनेशन जो है वो नहीं हिला, वो अपने बात से नहीं डिगे और उन्होंने इसे कंटिन्यू रखा. So children, learn to keep on trying. Never consider failure as disgrace or the end. Consider it as a stepping stone to success. Do not stop making efforts until you succeed. On all fronts of your lives, try your best. And this story, the story of Washington to build a bridge on long between New York and Long Island, you can find out on the Google. You can search and see the pictures and read the story. So, ponders and practice what we have to do. Achievements are rarely a luck, generally, they are a result of years of hard work. So, any type of achievement, any success, we does not get every time by a luck. It is a result of years of hard work. And never stop making efforts, keep on trying till you succeed. और जब तक सफलता नहीं मिलती है तब तक हमें कोशिश करते रहनी चाहिए.